Hello, my people. How you all doing? Hope everybody's keeping safe, washing your hand in the proper way, and sanitizing your environments, all the handle keys, even the keys as well, the toilet handle, every corner of your house. Keep cleaning, and I pray God will see us through. Hopefully soon, we're all gonna rejoice and glorify God for his protection. Right now, I want to show you, I'm going to Romania. This is like Romanian food or Polish people food. I'm copying from them. So today I'm cooking. This is red onions chopped with bay leaf on top to be fried with. This is cabbage, already boiled in hot water. Then I use cold water and block to like, this is the chop one, like to separate this one. This one, when I cook the cabbage, I take it off from the hot water, put it in cold water, put some ice so that I'll be able to separate them like this, because I'm going to be using it to wrap. There's a secret. I'll show you what I'm going to use it to wrap with this leaf, green leaf as well. I'm going to use it to wrap with this. This is boiled rice, already halfway cooked. Then I'm going to tip this rice inside here. This is minced beef meat and chicken mince mixed together with all kinds of herbs, ginger, garlic, and bread crumble. What I did, I used normal proper bread, cut off all the edges, chop it up, mash it up with egg and all the spices I want, banging in and mix all together. So I'm gonna tip in this rice in here. I'm gonna mix all together and start wrapping them with that cabbage and that green leaf I just showed you now. This is a little bit of chopped potato, which I'm gonna use as well. This is chopped garlic and ginger. This is sweet pepper. This is tomatoes and puree tomatoes. Those are some, this color you see on top are some turmeric, cinnamon powder. This is chopped tomato. This is carrots. So this is the chopped cabbage as well I'm gonna use. So when I finish cooking it, guys, I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look like. It's lovely. I've tested it before. So today I'm going to Poland or Polish or whatever. So I like to copy other countries' food. I like to have a go and test people's food, not just only my African food. I eat all tribe food. As I eat the one I fancy. I like to learn from their food. I like to see how their food tastes as well, So I'm all weather, guys. So after cooking this dish, I'm gonna show you when it is cooked and when it is prepared and cooked. So right now I'm gonna leave you here and stop the info I'm giving you guys about this cooking now. So when it is well cooked, I will show you the final product of it. So guys, I'm gonna leave you here and just urge you or begging you all to please keep subscribing on my channel, keep leaving your comments, your criticism, and I'm gonna get cracking on now and start doing this wrapping. Okay, guys, and have a lovely day and keep safe. Keep washing your hands, cleaning all corners of your environment, all corners of your room, your bedroom, your toilet, and make the kids to wash their hands as well. And let me crack on that again and see you guys. And bye and thank you. Cheers. Cheerio.